Hello everyone, my name is Jeshta from class 7th. Today I am going to show you a fun activity of science, that is underwater candle experiment. Material required for this experiment: one plate, one glass water, one candle and matchsticks. So let's start our activity. First of all, I place candle in the plate and pour water in the plate. After that, I light the candle. The candle was taking oxygen, so it lighted. When we covered candle with glass, it stopped taking oxygen and it extinguished. We all see that water level in glass is risen. Thank you.